Revelation Pets offers a translation feature, allowing you to change any of the wording that your customers see to your own language or style. There are a variety of different pieces of communication for which you can change the wording. You can update the language for reminder messages by going to Account Settings, Customer Communication. Other email communication and system text can be updated by going to Account Settings, Translations. To change the default wording for any of these pieces of communication, type your own language or text into the text box beneath each word or phrase and press Save. If you would rather call your booking confirmation an invoice, select Book in Print Translation, change the wording in the title field to Invoice, and press Save. Your printed booking confirmations will now be called invoices. Online booking and reviews have their own translation sections at the bottom of each of these settings pages.